I don't need a ride, I need ammo must be one of the most iconic statements of courage of our times, uttered by Volodymyr Zelensky, President of Ukraine, when he was offered an escape from the predations of Putin's invasion of his country. Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. It is said courage is the most important of all the virtues, because without it, none of the others are possible. When we meditate on the great tests and experiments ahead of us, if we have no sense of fear, then clearly we're not paying attention. Courage, however, is not the absence of fear, but rather a summoning of the will to proceed in spite of it. We must learn how to build the habit of celebrating the power courage gives us, to face the risk of looking ignorant and foolish in pursuit of knowledge, truth and wisdom, and comfortable with the notion that decisions are often wrong and don't work, and that even the best ideas may have no audience. Nothing great has ever been achieved without bravely facing into the unknown, making mistakes, and nevertheless courageously moving forward. We have agency not only in how our lives turn out, but by being courageous, we've equipped ourselves with the prerequisite of changing the trajectory of our organizations and the societies of which we are a part. In the words of T.S. Eliot, only those who will risk going too far can possibly find out how far one can go. My course for systems thinkers explores how to create habits of learning that build organizations filled with courageous people, helping deliver consistently high performance results. To learn more and experience what I mean, click the link in the comments below.